Namaskar. Since we are running behind the schedule, I'd just a very, very brief introduction. They're the smallest kids of 6, 7, 8 years. તમે કર્યું હા અમારા ગ્રામે આગે કરશો ને so there is some correction I have to. Okay. Now, friends, we have two teams. The senior team who goes across, and some of the junior artists also have had the good fortune by the grace of God to move out. So the first item will go very quick. It is 5 minutes, 7 minutes, spanning over 5-7 minutes. Today yesterday they presented Odissi dance, classical Odissi. Today they are presenting folk dance. The first item is in Bengali script, Amar Grame Jayore Bandhu Subarna Rekha Par. You know that every individual, every person contains the divine spark. And there is always a spontaneous tendency or urge to be one with the Supreme, irrespective of our education, irrespective of our vocation or avocation. So there is a natural attraction for some unseen force. We have not seen him. Nonetheless, there is an attraction of the Supreme. Now in this particular item, this is a bowl. This tells us how, this shows us how those who are not exposed to so-called modernities or the nuances of civilization, how they express their love, devotion for the divine when in their exclusive moments. When they see nature, they feel the divine brilliance there. Without knowing what God is, without knowing anything about it, because they are not exposed, they are illiterate people. So it tells us how those innocent minds get vibrated when the urge for the divine takes possession of them. When the birds chirp, when the sun rises, it creates a vibration in them. They can't help it. And they express it in their own ways. The lyric is by Sri Prabhat Ranjan Sarkar, who has composed 5,018 songs for a short span of 8 years, 5 months and 20 days, a record composition in the world. Now each song is surcharged with divine ideation. So they are the people, those who live away from this din and bustle of the city, how they express their moments of ecstasy, their moments of devotion or love for the divine, in their characteristic, pure, unadulterated, unpretentious ways. It's a very, very hot item. Means people across the world, they are under spell when they see this dance performed. I hope our friends will get refreshed after seeing this. Amar Grame Jayore Bandhu Subarna Rekha Par. Dance choreography by our Guru Sri Bharat Charan Giri. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
দিবে সমুদ্র কিনার
বালিয়ারির পথ দিবে সমুদ্র কিনার
সুবর্ণ রেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণ রেখা পার
সুবর্ণ রেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণ রেখা পার
আমার গ্রামে যাইও রে বন্ধু সুবর্ণ রেখা পার সেথায় যখন সূর্য ওঠে আকাশ সাগর রঙে ফোটে
সেথায় যখন সূর্য ওঠে আকাশ সাগর রঙে ফোটে
মনের মাঝে সে রং জাগায় মনের মাঝে সে রং জাগায় আনন্দ অপার
সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার এই আমার গ্রামে যাইও রে বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার
কাজু বাদাম বনের মাঝে রঙিন পাখি সদাই নাচে
কাজু বাদাম বনের মাঝে রঙিন পাখি সদাই নাচে
গানচিলেরা দুর্বিদেশে গানচিলেরা দুর্বিদেশে করে পারাপার
সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার
এই
আমার গ্রামে যাইও রে বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার
নৌকো খুলে দূরের গানে নাবিক ধায় স্রোতের টানে
নৌকো খুলে দূরের গানে নাবিক ধায় স্রোতের টানে
ছোটেছে জলধীর পানে ছোটেছে জলধীর পানে ভিন্ন চিন্তা তার
সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার সুবর্ণরেখা পার বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার
এই
আমার গ্রামে যাইও রে বন্ধু সুবর্ণরেখা পার
এই
Friends, now the small kids of Adruta would perform. This is a harvest dance. You know those inarticulate, innocent folk, populace. Every occasion in life is an occasion for celebration. Not only that, it is an occasion, every occasion in life is an occasion to remember the Lord. That means every occasion, good or bad, we encounter, we feel that's a gift of the divine. Suppose you encounter stress or crisis and feel that maybe it is the gift of my Lord, whom I love most, then the intensity of suffering will lessen. Now they are overpowered by that feeling of ecstasy for the Lord. So during harvest, when they are in plenty, when the prospects are bright, they will sow their moments, inner moments. The moments when the divine ecstasy wells up from within. So it's a spontaneous expression of their being affected by the divine attraction. Title is Udiya Janna. It was previous. It was in Bengali. This is in Odia, and this is mostly this dance is performed during harvest. It's a harvest song. Thank you.